Assessment 4-3 Volume TEKS 7.9a Directions. Read each question carefully, identify the key words, and be sure to answer the question. Justify your answer. Good luck. Question 1. Learning target. I can identify the shape and find the area of the base. What is the formula for area of the base? Question 2. Identify the formula for the area of the base. Identify the area of the base in the griddable. Question number 3. Write the formula for the area of the base. In the griddable, write the area of the base. Question number 4. Write the formula for the area of the base. In the griddable, write the area of the base. Question number 5. Learning target. I can write the formula and substitute the correct number to solve problems involving volume of prisms and pyramids. The dimensions of the triangular prism are shown in the diagram. What is the volume of the triangular prism in cubic centimeters? Question 6. 2 identical number cubes are shown in the picture. The edge length of these number cubes is 3 centimeters. What is the combined volume of the 2 number cubes in cubic centimeters? A. 54 cubic centimeters. B. 27 cubic centimeters. C. 9 cubic centimeters. And D. 6 cubic centimeters. Question 7. A pencil holder shaped like a triangular prism is shown in the picture. The height of the pencil holder is 12 centimeters. The volume of the pencil holder is 216 cubic centimeters. What is the area of the base of the pencil holder in square centimeters? A. 36 square centimeters. B. 25 square centimeters. C. 18 square centimeters. Or D. 9 square centimeters. Question number 8. Alina drew a model of a square pyramid. The dimensions of the model are shown in the diagram. What is the volume of Alina's model in cubic centimeters? Question 9. An artist created a statue in the shape of a triangular pyramid. The triangular base has a height of 6 feet. Determine the volume of the statue. Question 10. Find the volume of the rectangular pyramid shown below. Check all your work. Good luck.